Dear student, last day I taught you Geography lesson 8. In this lesson, first I taught you important terms. Today I will teach you natural environment. Natural environment of desert and life in the desert region. तो सबसे पहले देखें पेज नंबर 124 में लाइफ इन द desert. The desert are characterized by extreme aridity and sparse vegetation. They may be hot or cold depending on their latitudinal location. They have a harsh environment that restricts human habitation. Scarcity of water and food render them pretty uninhabitable. Means of livelihood are very few and economic development is restricted and limited. Let us study about the life of people in hot and cold desert in detail. प्यारे बच्चों, इसमें आपको मरुस्थलीय क्षेत्र के बारे में बताया गया है जहाँ बालू ही बालू पाई जाती है। ऐसे क्षेत्रों में जहाँ बालू ही बालू पाई जाती है वहाँ दिन ठंडे होते हैं और दिन गर्म होते हैं, रातें ठंडी होती हैं। यहाँ पर दिन के साथ साथ यहाँ का जो सीजन या कहते हैं क्लाइमेट में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव रहता है। यहाँ पर पानी की कमी पाई जाती है और कांटेदार वनस्पतियाँ या वेजिटेशन पाए जाते हैं, सोने विशेष यहाँ पर पाए जाते हैं। इसके अलावा यहाँ के लोगों का नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट क्या है, नीचे देखिए। लोकेशन एंड रिलीफ के अंतर्गत द हॉट डिजर्ट लाई बिटवीन 20 डिग्री एंड 30 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड नॉर्थ एंड साउथ ऑफ इक्वेटर. These are found in all continents except Europe and Antarctica. These are located on the western margin of the continent. The main hot desert in the world are the Sahara, Kalahari, Arabian, Great Australian, Atacama, the Thar and Mexican desert. The Sahara is the largest desert in the world. It extends from the Red Sea in the east to the Atlantic coast of Africa. In the west, it is a hot tropical and sandy desert. Shifting and sand dunes are dominant relief feature of this desert. The vast stretches of sand are known as air, while gravel-covered plains are known as Cyril or wreck. Plateaus with the bare, rocky surface are called Hamda. There are several depressions which lie below sea level. The Quatra Depression is 133 m below sea level. Fertile regions which come up around a spring are known as oases. The Siwa Depression in Egypt is the one such famous oasis. The river Nile, जिसे नील नदी आप लोग कहते हैं, the longest river in the world, flow along the eastern margin of the desert. The Niger flow in the southwestern part. Beside there are flat flowed water channels known as the wadis. The wadis are easily dry but overflow during the desert flows. Climate. The climate of the Sahara Desert is hot and dry. It has extremes of diurnal and annual temperatures. Algeria in Libya recorded the highest temperature of 58 degrees Celsius. The western coast has moderate climate due to the influence of the cold Cambridge current. Hot and sandy winds called Khamsin in Egypt and Gibli in Libya blow over North Sahara. In southern Sahara, dry north easterly winds called Harmattan blow during winter. Vegetation and wildlife: scattered patches of grasses and shrubs and thorny plants in the west sandy plains are the vegetation which dominate the Sahara. Date, palm, and acacia occur in oases and along wadis. The wildlife include small animals like hares, desert fox, hedgehogs, hyenas, gazelles, rats, and reptiles like lizard, snake, spider. Camel is a domestic animal and is called the sheep of desert. People and economic condition यहाँ देखिए. The Sahara is the sparsely populated in the desert. The presence of man is chiefly determined by the ability of water. Scattered clusters of human settlement are found around oases and on the margin of highlands where pasture are plenty are grazing animals. The great bulk of the people are oasis farmers. Others include nomads and those engaged in mining and commercial activities. Pastoral nomadism is the unique adjustment to an arid environment. The Fulanis rear cattle while the Tuaregs and Bedouins rear mainly sheep, goats, and camels. The pastoral nomads are wanderers who move their herds and flock from pasture to pasture on the habitual routes. They live in tents with few furnishing except utensils. They exchange their animal product with the oasis dwellers for dates and grains. They spin and weave their cloth, blanket, tents, and rugs. The oasis dwellers practice settled cultivation. The Helanians are the peasants of the Nile Valley who earlier practiced basin irrigation. After the construction of the Aswan Dam, irrigation facilities have increased. The farmers now practice intensive farming and grow 2 or 3 crops annually. The Sahara is rich in minerals like iron ore, manganese, copper, uranium, and petroleum and natural gas. Therefore, mining and oil refining have become important economic activities in the region. Trading and tourism are also important economic activities. The pyramids and sapiens of Giza near Cairo, Egypt attract tourists from all over the world. Alexandria is an ancient city founded by Alexander the Great in 332 BC. The opening of the Suez Canal has linked Sahara with the rest of the world. The traditional camel caravan routes are now used by motor cars and trucks as modern highways have been built along some of the caravan route. The Nile serves as an inland waterway as well. Now a cold desert Ladakh next day.